Everybody, welcome to the video. Surprise of the day. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the cabin filter in the Lexus NX300h. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Please note that this video works on the 2015 to 2021 NX300h. And it may also work with other Toyota or Lexus products as well. You post a comment below if it works for other models not listed over here. To get started, I do want to mention that I'm going to list the OEM part number in the description if you're interested in purchasing one. Okay, to start out, you want to open the glove compartment. I'm just going to run this video a little bit slower so you can see everything. So you don't miss it. Take everything out, otherwise it's going to be a mess. So once you do that, you need to take out the glove compartment. So just squeeze the ends over here. And that will come down. But don't pull all the way down yet because there is something on the right side over here. So you can see if I can get my system to focus that. So there's like a little strut over here. So you need to pull that thing so it will pop out. There we go. And now you could take the glove compartment out. And remember, it's on the hinge. So you could take it all out, or you just leave it hanging like this. And next, let's focus on this area over here. And we will see that it's the cabin filter and it has an enclosure also protecting it. So just hit that tab over there and your cabin filter is right here. Notice the orientation is facing up. I put the part number in the description and it's quite dirty. Yes, it's a charcoal filter. That's why it's already gray. So there's difference between charcoal and not. So this is the up arrow. Make sure face up. You put the new one in. Okay, so if this thing is really dirty, you might want to clean it with the leaves or something. Just try to take it out. Be really careful instead of vacuuming if possible. You know, just be careful with the wires and everything around the area. So one thing I want to point out on the filter again, so people are going to ask this question a number of times, is the orientation. So make sure it's facing up. Up is pointing up. So as we took it out earlier, and there's on two places. So this is the OEM filter. Of course, you probably could use a generic one, but make sure that the quality is just as good or better. So this one you don't really need to buy OEM if you don't want to. So just want to mention that. So you put the filter in, make sure it's all the way in, and just like that, I think would do. So of course I want to make it perfect because I'm doing the video right now. So you see the best location. So just like that, you know, it covers the top. That's the biggest thing. So on the cover over here, one thing I'm going to mention besides the up arrow, all right, this side has the tab, okay? The one on the right has the tab, and you can probably see that with the L. On this side, it's like a tab that you slide through. It's not something that, you know, they're going to spring back type of tab. So what you need to do is find the right area over here. You see on the left side, and slide it in just like that. So it's hard to film and do at the same time. Then once you push it in, you notice the tab's going to move a little bit. See that tab over there? There it goes. Now it's locked in. So that's all you need to do to change the cabin filter, right? And it's not rocket science. You can save you money and also save you time at the same time. So next you need to put the little strut over here back for the glove compartment. So there it goes, nice secure. Then you're going to squeeze the glove compartment door together. There it goes. Then you can put all the junk and stuff back into the unit. So all to it. Hopefully this video helps you save some money and some time. Really appreciate a thumbs up so other people could see this video. That's how the algorithm works. And if you have a comment to share, please leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.